Hello everyone, Mrs. Walt here. Today we're going to continue our 95% lesson in reading different types of syllables. And today we're going to be focusing on vowel teams. And our signal for a vowel team is going to look like this. Okay, so let's look at our first word. And the first thing I want you to notice is that there are two vowels right next to one another. Okay, our signal for this is like this. Okay, so for this word, the two vowels are going to say O. So we're going to write the word trope over here on the vowel team side. So your job is to signal if it's a vowel team or not. Okay, next. Ready? Vowel team or not? You're right, it's not a vowel team. It's got one vowel. This is open. So we're going to put it on this side where it says not a vowel team. Okay, ready? Very good. You should be thinking, one vowel, not a vowel team. This is closed. It's going to go on this side. Okay, how about this one? It's got two vowels, but they're not next to one another, are they? They're separated by consonant. This is not a vowel team. Silent E. Remember that one? Okay, ready? Very good if you said two vowels together. Very good, pat yourself on the back. This is a vowel team. Two vowels together. Okay, you guys are getting so good at this. Not a vowel team, is it? It's open. One vowel followed by nothing. I'm going to write phi up here. Not a vowel team. Okay, ready? Very good, very good. It is not a vowel team. It's got two vowels. However, they are separated, aren't they? By a consonant in the middle. This is cade, not a vowel team. Gonna really trick you. Now, if you remember, that Y sometimes acts as a vowel, doesn't it? So this, when you see an O and a Y together, they are going to be a vowel team. You're going to say oi. It is a vowel team. Like in the word boy, the real word boy, that's loy. That is a vowel team. Okay. Very good. I know you were thinking, oh, there's an A and an I together. That is a vowel team. Two vowels together. Vowel team. So let's see. Let me write a couple words, and I'm going to come up with myself, and you tell me Very good. Not a vowel team. Okay. How about this one? Very good. Not a vowel team. Oh, that was supposed to be an O. One last one. How about this one? Very good. Vowel team. E and A together. Okay, so before we end, let's practice reading some of these words. Okay, ready? Now we know these are vowel teams, so the vowel is usually going to say the first vowel sound. Okay, O and A would say O usually. E pretty much always is going to say E. I can't think of any exceptions. This one I remember is oi, like in boy. A and I is going to say A, the first vowel sound, A. And again, E and A. When E and A go walking, E's gonna do the talking, okay? So here we go. Let's get ready. Look at them. Get ready. Trope. Greel. Loy. Abe. It sounds like Abe, a name, Abe Lincoln, doesn't it? Meep. Theme, rhymes with team. Okay, our not a vowel team. We've got open, closed, silent E. So let's see if you guys remember these rules. Get ready. Fee. Get ready. Brep. Get ready. Follow all the way through. Mibe. Phi. Get ready. Cade. My. And remember, that's a O. Ode. Fode. Very good. If you want to, watch this video again. Practice reading them so that you can recognize those sounds quickly. I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.